ye Ikrono a Gina Yemiano NDC for 3 mono 2022 I'm a train sanka by now dear and come with the propaganda and Eberton chain. Now if you're new ways on bet me dear winning on my base, no more winning other people in, you know. They are still continuing the same and trauma be trying at your motto. My question to everybody watching me this and say, Nana Kwame, what way? Say what could you bosia say would be business? Now bank amount 20 million Ghana cedis. Say fakoye business. Now 20 million the bank and they say you're releasing in now. In any case, say okoji credit card ya. Say a credit limit now also. Do you draw out all the credit limit at one time? You don't do that. And I'm a boy. What is NDC people talking about? And Trobe and MPP for Eddie. Say I'm a can't roam, said they. I am a former 340, but we told them some of my 1 billion. Nankrofo we cry Montias here no Charlie media sometimes like in fact like it's getting frustrating though. It's getting frustrating. Na yenya oba besia akotena console chi di tro ade a onim ho hwe. Di tro tom futrogu Ghana for any because Ghana for enkonko kan. But me say me NDC for the way omo it shows why the country went to IMF. I swear, me say the country went to IMF because of bad management by the NDC party. Omo nye better managers. They don't know how to manage a country. They don't know anything about economics. They don't know how to even raise funds. NDC is a shambolic party. All they know is no contribution, no chop. Yaba ben money die yebediti. Because Yansani bien will be catching me say, Mimi Gina Wina Bank of America, I bring me credit card of a limit of 10,000. Miss Meko Gina Manemu, I'll withdraw 10,000 in Ekodi. What to be that? Ghana for what to be that? Makojiska say, and answer my Mekoji Bosia, Yama me credit limit of Abia 80,000. Missy 80,000, no, my draw in Ekodi in 1 day. Just say, like the way Sister Dorothy, look, it's getting frustrating now. These NDC people, they are gradually killing the spirit of Ghana. Gyimie no doso unverified information no doso and trono doso NDC. We beg you, yes, we know, say we are the #1 propagandist people. Obien to memo a ban of propaganda we are seeing in the mamo, but we beg you. They say they are pamu chow. NDC for yense we yense yemo ye buko to dwe ye de pamu chow. Munje Gyimie no na monje Ghana ho kakra. Gyimie sem ben kurania nkwasiafo ben kurani papa Yesu. Why are these parties like that? Like, seriously, it is getting frustrating. And there's something about it, and they say they don't even seem to be bothered by the stupidity they are spewing out there and what it can do to them, even if they are to come to power. Omo ye Gyimie fo ase omo nim so man na omo peso omo tete no wiase amansan ni na hu sa ase no e ye sa man na nkwasiafo bi sa pese ye san de man ni shom no bebebu Ghana fa do no man Gyimie sa my God, NDC people, you people need to stop. You guys need to stop. Na Gyimie no adorson. Gyimie no NDC mu Gyimie no adorson. The foolery in NDC is too much. Gyimie sem no adorson dodo. Who in their right mind? Me say asem we obi mbe answer me. Who in their right mind will know say makoje bosi asem me de beye adwuma. Na magiska na din 1 day. So make sure one minute. Sure. Now say and you call IMF and I'm call IMF and I'm call IMF. I see you say IMF on the economy the gold am Ghana. And so say Ghana ye. But said the beya ye beka say NDC ni MPP ye painting no. Most of call IMF. Nyanka say Mahama call IMF. Most call IMF. Enti so man ne bejija, so man ne betete, so man ne be say kra to prove say momo ko IMF yeso ya ko IMF. Let us do it. And then Gyimie. And I thank Honorable Damboche, the president, and also the cabinet for taking a swift decision on this and making sure, say, we do not allow these things into our country. Police in here, Mraman, police in here, Mrasheno, police in here, no, they would to me so bon hobine. Now, who the Mrasha who and some other country and say, Obe transfer, Obe say, and I will deal with you, I will do this. You are threatening a peace officer. As an MCE, threaten peace officer because who can say, oh, you're honorable. Honorable, my foot. Honorable when you don't know the value of your honorable. And I don't blame anyone. Me blame Ghana for na me say me they be mo Ghana for me met until say me who say government I had the money and say me born a chino. Me bo government a chief for something they have not done. I blame you Ghanaians. E kufuwa do wo way or buy ye ade be see that will be ase. E no ka kire mo say san krofo we no na MCE for no said ye be ya ye benya papa wo mu ne me apɛ aye adwumenti. Moma yen koto o mo so aba. President Kufuor Bake Ghana be fake kumo ake mandate ehamiake MC be ake ni minisanima elect ya malo minisanima choose ame sin kana kan power and habo ganobi bo Ghana no ikana kan power and habo ake ya ni bodenche oya for shiki no care money ota on febo o MCE. You know the reason why? Because President Kufuor in his own mind got to know, say, listen, then Ninano, President Netusu MCE for we are. Omukwa yenye jumebia, yembono mebia. Because we do a while, and you'll be na bel lobby. Oh, where are you honorable, where are your party head or your party, and you must say, oh, financial, and you'll be na bel lobby. Me, I recommend an iodine and the national. And I'll say, said the Abeya, you bet just an yameni in Munti, Ghana for. Me to me a constitution, and the mammy as I do down Kufuado. Me de mawa wo for mo. You can hang it. Now for Shiki to select your own MCEs. Then you sit down and let these people are. They have made it their point. From 2016, after the election, when they knew they had lost, they took the bauxite, of Ghana to somebody company who is the brother. When they knew, say, they were going out of government, you remember my contract, all to burden the incoming president. Party for to meeting, say, we shall make this government ungovernable. Now, for 40 years, and they have followed suit to it, say, that same interview, na Sami Jemfina say, Sabi, Martinamidu, or you credible na yenjin. Then these same people and that to be a warning about them no will come and spew lies to you and you don't even think a second. No afa. Now they hear propaganda. Why must it be that way? Kufado or per se MC for no a year party same no mudi we are bem. Ababen and Kufado Korean. To me a constitution amano. And also the year